I will avoid that topic. The topics is avoided in church, like integrity, like truth, like sincerity, like holiness, like righteousness, like chastity, pristinity. And we don't talk about it. Honoring your own wife and honoring your own husband, especially preachers, honoring our wives and honoring our home. I'm telling you, many preachers their children don't see them as preachers. Many preachers, their wives don't see them as preachers. Most of the people that are shocked every Sunday are as of mommy. They sit down and they are watching. Hey, they sit down and it's being preached. Last Sunday I made mention of something like, if I come here and I make a doctrine of trousers, makeup, hair, because the gospel is not about atade. Oh, please, yes, because of your dress. There's not time for that. Say, I'm told can I am told and you will be in a back and say, atade you are in darkness. When there is light, illumination comes. And when there is illumination, when there is illumination. But when there is no light, you sit in darkness. This is why we have made very frivolous and loose nonsense like such a message. We should trousers our of our trousers. Trousers. Really? You need to wear a tighter trousers. You work in the army, you work in the police service. You go there with a skirt. What are you talking about? You need to wear even a serious material to be able to withstand. You are on the battlefront. You need to be able to. What are you talking about? Fatuo, Yafremu.